Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Jest from GES Telecel, and today we have some exciting news for all Ghana Education Service (GES) staff members who use Telecel services. The new GES 2MOORCH package is here to make your communication easier and more affordable. Let's dive into the details of this fantastic new package. The GES 2MOORCH initiative is a collaborative effort between GES and Telecel, aimed at offering exclusive benefits to GES staff. This package is designed to reduce your costs on credit and data bundles while enhancing your connectivity. How to subscribe to the GES 2MOORCH offer: scan the QR code. Use your phone to scan the QR code on the flyer you received. This package comes with a range of perks that you don't want to miss out on. Free calls. Enjoy unlimited calls among all GES staff members. Here's a quick look at the various packages available. Comprehensive bundle. Includes voice, data, and SMS. Data-only plans. Comes with additional allocation for whitelisted sites. Additional benefits. Roll over unused data to the next month, so you always get the most out of your plan. Free calls among staff on the integrated plan, promoting seamless collaboration. How to register. Ready to sign up? Just click the link provided in the description, enter your name and phone number, and you're all set. Join the conversation. What do you think about the new GES 2MOORCH package? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates and exclusive offers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.